Sienna Bowes. Welcome to my channel, Learning Valence Live. Today we are going to talk about ionic bond formation. I am going to do a reaction which demonstrates ionic bond formation. Today's reaction is in between calcium and nitrogen. Between calcium, Ca, and nitrogen, N, which ultimately leads to formation of calcium nitride, whose formula is Ca3N2. Now I'm going to write the reaction. So here I have 3 calcium atoms, as the formula suggests, and 2 nitrogen atoms, as the formula suggests. The calcium atoms have an electronic configuration of 2,8,8,2, and nitrogen has an electronic configuration of 2,5. Now the reaction. Here, calcium loses each of the calcium atoms lose their pair of valence electrons. And the 2 nitrogen atoms over here gain these lost valence electrons. After the transfer of electrons which occurs, we get Ca2 plus 3 and 3 minus 2. Ca2 plus 3 Ca2 plus cations and 2 and 3 minus anions. The Ca2 plus cations have an electronic configuration of 2,8,8, and the N3 minus anions have an electronic configuration of 2,8. Both of them have attained the octet configuration, Ca2 plus that of argon, and N3 minus octet configuration of neon. As a result, 3 Ca2 plus cations and 2 N3 minus nitride anions N3 minus nitride anions attract each other by the electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction, which leads to formation of an electrovalence or ionic bond. Electrovalent or ionic bond. As a whole, the unit Ca2 plus 3 and 3 minus 2 is electrically neutral. Since number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges, which is 6. There are 6 negative charges and 6 positive charges. So the unit Ca2 plus 3 and 3 minus 2 is electrically neutral. Now you may take a look at this reaction. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more episodes. Thank you.